number 8, beginner, intermediate, collegiate, Shag / St. Louis Shag.
Yes. We did sliding doors in both St. Louis and in collegiate.
Yeah, so we're going to start from here. So it goes from the kick. So linear, leads you go behind. Triple step, ha. Triple step, ha. Triple step, ha. Triple step, blah, blah, blah. So to get in.
Make sure that when you're sorry, Corona. When you're sliding doors, make sure that the lead and the follow face forward. You really want to stay forward, and as a lead, you really direct your follow in front of you.
Exactly, and for that to happen, so actually I'm going to lead it from here so you can see it goes triple step. We open it up here, and here it's really like a lead with the hand.
Yeah.
And when you're done with it, you just close it off.
Yeah. Make sure you have a good frame.
Yeah, good connection here. It's our only connection point, so we turn in and we end it. Cool, then we did it in collegiate.
Yeah, with the special entrance.
Yeah, so it looks, first special, it's 6 count Shag kicks from close, so if you just do them. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you can see here. 5, 6, 5, 6. And when you want to do them, you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6.
So you push off
on the 4, 5, 6, where?
Forehead connection, 5, 6 is the going out.
Yeah, so we're going to be the wrong way again, sorry. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get ready on the 4 and you're 5, 6, you push yourself out 50, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. And when you want to close it off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so we have to do one extra set of Shag kicks if we want to finish it off before we can get back into collegiate Shag.
So if you see it from the other side, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go.
3, 4, 5, 6.
That was it.